y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Kelly.
Hey!
This is probably her first time on my channel that you have seen her. I know I've talked about her a bunch, but we are spending New Year's Eve together with each other, and we actually have to keep an eye on the clock so that we don't miss it, because we need to be each other's New Year's Eve kiss.
Yes.
Because I'm away from my boyfriend and her husband
is at a party.
Yeah, exactly. So, and her kids are both asleep, so it's like,
so we
who
also
else?
have to be kind of quiet.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a whole ordeal.
It's a whole deal.
I think it's like 11 something. I think it was like 11:11 when I checked.
Yeah, we've been talking for so long.
Yeah.
Since
I forgot to make
PM.
a wish though, because it was 11:11, and I always try to get Jesse to do it with me, but he doesn't. But we are making TikToks, so we figured we would do a quick makeup tutorial before our transition. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I will have it linked, or you can look me up, and it's Tara Elizabeth, and you can follow me there. I post pretty frequently on there, but we are going to do a very quick makeup and just chat with y'all.
And I don't really know what I'm doing ever, but I
know.
follow Tara and she helps me through. So
Your
I'm just
makeup
gonna
always
do
looks so
the
good.
best I can.
I think your makeup looks really cute.
I'm gonna start with something.
You still wear that shirt?
You scared me. I thought I was doing it all wrong.
No.
This is
Is it Touch Heart?
this is tinted hydrator.
Oh, is that what you usually wear?
I do wear it a lot.
I mean, it always looks nice. I just like dumped out a ton.
Let's see.
You always worry about mine. Mine's always like, I have to like try to mix and match to make a good color.
Really? To match your skin?
Yeah, because no makeup line. So if you're a makeup line watching this, please make one for olive skin tones.
Tarte, right?
Yeah.
Tarte's the best, right?
Oh yeah, Tarte, or if you want a less expensive, like do the e.l.f. camo concealer.
e.l.f. camo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know if I've tried that one.
I recently tried it this year, and I actually really liked it.
Yeah, a few days ago, my daughter Cora lost my Tarte concealer. I was really sad because it's kind of expensive.
It is a little bit. I'm
kind of bummed about that.
You ever just get like too much on your hands, and then you're like, well, I guess I'll put it on me.
Yes.
You're like, I already squeeze it out.
I do. That's the thing with me with sunscreen too, though. I would get so much sunscreen on my hands.
Are you like a religious sunscreen user?
So I am over the summer, like I put it on any time in the summer, pretty much. But for some reason, I'm not as much in the winter.
Yeah.
Which, like, kind of, I should be. If my face lotion has it in it, then I'm golden. But if it doesn't, like, I don't. Oh well, I think the lotion I use right now does have some in it.
So I only use Cetaphil lotion.
So me too. Does that have something in it?
I guess it depends on which one you use. Do you want any bronzer?
I'm just gonna go with the basic
white.
Yeah.
Because that's
it.
Starbucks.
So that's what I'm going for right now.
Starbucks.
And TikToking, yeah.
And TikTok and YouTube. Trying to make it famous on YouTube. That
right. So let me see.
I'm
just gonna put this on.
What is that?
It's like I'm not gonna.
What is it?
I think it's eyeshadow, but I don't know actually.
Really? Let me see.
I think it is.
Yeah, I think so.
Beauty. I really like Juice Beauty. But you know what? I'm just gonna do
like a
little
makeup brand.
They are, yes.
No, I think this is an eyeshadow.
Oh, cool. I like Juice Beauty because they're clean.
See, I really should be better at looking at that.
Well,
makeup brands, but
also I have a bunch that's not Juice Beauty. I think of like 2 things or 3 things that are there, and just a bunch that isn't too.
Really putting all this makeup on at 11 o'clock at night just to
stay in our home.
Yeah, and like probably take it off in just a little bit after we like watch a
probably
movie or
like
something.
20 minutes.
Are you like a religious wash your face before you go to bed person?
Depends on the season.
That's fair.
I'm more religious about brushing my teeth.
Hey, if you gotta choose
my teeth.
If you gotta choose one or the other.
Yeah, I'd probably choose teeth for some reason. I don't know why I'm like that.
I mean, I'd rather have my teeth in my.
But I really should do, like, I go through phases. Like, I've been breaking out more, so I do need to put more, wash my face more.
I'm like a religious. I have only had, since I've started wearing makeup, one time that I fell asleep.
Really?
With my makeup on, yeah. But I also have like really sensitive skin. Like I get rashes on my skin a lot. So I always had.
Okay.
No, thank you.
Thanks.
I love that color.
Thank you. I can see those eyes are looking good.
Thanks.
Can I borrow the mirror for my eyes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We actually went out today and went shopping for hair extensions for my sister, and then also a veil for her wedding dress.
Oh, she got a veil too? Did she get a veil?
No.
Y'all went shopping, but you didn't get it.
We looked for a long time and we did
Was
not
it just
get
y'all
it.
two?
No, it was
the whole gaggle.
it was everyone but my dad and Cameron. Cameron was at swim practice. But we got 1 out of 2. We got hair extensions. I was very not smart last night. Cameron and I like to, because we have a gas stovetop, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So we like to roast marshmallows on it.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
it started as, I had this like dream of roasting a marshmallow on a candle. So that's where it started. And then once we got the gas stove top, I was like, ooh, we should roast marshmallows on that.
Ooh.
So we did that. Can I look at this?
What do you think about my eyes right now? Kind of clumped right there, but I mean, it's not too
I don't think
noticeable.
it's too. I think so.
I don't care that
Next
much.
time you buy a new one,
Girl, I need some new eyeliner.
get this. It's like a felt tip. Then you literally just like lay it on there.
Yeah, that's
And
what I
it's-
need.
you can use it if you want. Just
I'm
be
legit.
careful
Can I
of
just
all of
try
that.
it?
But yeah, so we roast marshmallows on these like metal
Dang,
skewers.
this is a good one.
Yeah, it's a lot easier. So we were doing that, and like Cameron and the girls will usually like use their hands to take off the marshmallow. I
You won't.
like to live life on
The safe side.
on the dangerous side.
Oh.
I pull it off with my mouth.
Oh, okay.
So I did it last night. Luckily it's premium shield.
You
And
blew it out?
Yeah, like the inside
Oh
of
my
my
gosh.
lip touched the metal piece
Girl,
that
that's-
had been like
that's
heated. It hurt so bad. But it's a lot better today.
Yes.
Coach.
I know.
I got Chanel perfume for Christmas.
Casey's grandfather got me that.
Oh, it smells nice.
I know, it's really nice of him to do
Do you like my new perfume? Because I didn't bring my regular one with me.
that. You know what? This is
Could you
gonna
not even
sound
tell?
super mean.
Could you not even tell?
I couldn't tell.
You smell it.
Well, I don't know, because your hair.
I
I
swear to
don't know
God.
if I smell it.
I can't really smell it either. I feel like it goes away really quick.
I smell your hair. Your hair smells amazing.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. But I don't know if I'm smelling the...
I don't even know if I do either. It's a problem.
All right, let's see. Let's see.
I loved when, who was it? Was it Too Faced who came out with the cheerleader highlighter? No, Benefit. Just kidding, not Too Faced. I should know as they all have bees on the front of their
Oh!
outfits, jerseys, leotards. Was this a highlighter in here?
I don't know what that was, but Cora got to it.
I think it was a highlighter.
Probably. She has obliterated so many makeup
Bro,
things.
I have this too.
Oh,
The
really?
Naked 3, yeah.
Does it look like I'm wearing makeup?
I think so. I think you need a little bit more blush.
Ooh. All right, what's the proper technique here? Oh, you go all the way up there like that.
Yeah.
Gotcha, gotcha.
We're also gonna put some on your nose.
Oh! Okay, why do you put it on the nose?
Is this cute?
Hmm.
Do you naturally blush?
I think I do.
See, look. Cute.
That is cute!
Here, I
Are
need
we
to
doing
put it on
lips?
my face. Do we want to do lips?
I got this.
Ooh, that's bold. I have like I brought like my whole little thing of lips.
Is it too bold?
I don't think so.
I also got Cora's glitter gloss. Lip gloss.
Ooh.
Let
Ooh.
me try that. Okay.
It's shimmery.
Mm-hmm.
Are you vibing with it?
Okay, I'm vibing. It's New Year's.
What brand is this?
Bare Minerals.
Bare Minerals. I might just do like
Do like a little dabby dab.
a little on my finger. Oh, that's darker than I thought.
It is kind of dark.
Alright, you got it, Erica.
Alright, cute. I'm liking this.
I accidentally had been putting what I thought was lip balm on at night. Turns out I found out today because I was doing it in the dark. Turns out it was lotion. I've been doing that this whole time I've been in here, and I was like, dude, this like lip balm kind of tastes weird.
That was like fun. Okay, so
Okay.
here we are.
Oopsies.
Looking good, I think.
I think we look cute.
I think we look super cute. I'm loving it.
I am too. Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Well, I hope y'all all enjoyed meeting Kelly, and I'm sure she'll be in a lot more videos, and definitely follow her channel. I will link it down below. It's, what is your
Cardio with Kelly.
Cardio with Kelly. It used to be Mom Aerobics, but now it's Cardio with Kelly.
I changed it.
But Cardio with a C, Kelly with a K.
Yes.
So, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notified every single time I post, which hopefully will be a lot more consistent now, because I realized I was gone for like 3 months, and I do apologize to y'all about that, but I want to be back in
New year.
New
It's
year.
the new year, new you.
Right?
Yes. New posting schedule.
Exactly.
It's perfect. Goes hand in hand.
Right, I think it said Santa hand. I was like, what?
Goes Santa.
I love you guys, and I hope you all have a happy and safe weekend, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.